Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make creamy chicken puffs. Let's do it. I'm going to begin by putting in cream cheese that's at room temperature, diced onions, pimentos, milk, about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, some sweet green peas, now I'm going to add in 2 cups of roasted diced chicken. We had roasted chicken for dinner last night and I cooked 2, so I had a lot of leftovers, and that's the meat I'm using here. You can use canned chicken or boiled chicken, whatever you want to do to make your mixture. Now that the mixture is done, we're going to use Pillsbury Crescent dinner rolls. I've already taken the Crescent Rolls out of the pack. So here's 2. See how they come together perforated like that? That's perfect, because what we're going to do is pinch them together and make it one piece. Spread it out. We're going to bring our chicken mixture and put it inside. It's about 2 heaping tablespoons. Pull the corners up, pinch them together. And there we go. Our chicken puffs are ready to go in the oven. So we'll put them in the oven and then we will make our sauce that will go on top when they're done. To make the sauce that we're going to pour on top of them, I've opened a can of cream of celery soup and I've added a tablespoon of milk. I've already mixed it together. Now we're just going to heat it on the stove top. Our chicken puffs are done. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. I'm going to put it on the plate with my spinach salad. I've got a little bit of this cream of celery soup mixture ready to go on top. It's time for a taste test. Wow, this is so good. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. If you want to know every time a new video is coming out, hit the bell. Thanks again for watching, my friends. See you on the next video. God bless. Bye.